Hello, good morning, my dear students and parents. How are you all? I think you all are safe and fine at home. Then, what about your works? Have you read the story Ben's Christmas Wish? And also, ma'am told you to underline some keywords. Have you underlined the words? Okay, dears, I hope you all have done that. So, in today's class, we are going to learn identify and compare events and places with familiar places and events. Ma'am, repeating you again, in today's class, we are going to learn how to connect things. How to connect things. So, what is the meaning of the word connect? This word connect, yes, connect means to relate the things or to connect the things with each other, or to make the connection means to make the relation between two things. So dears, do you like holidays? Yes, all like holidays. Ma'am also like holidays. But nowadays we are having a very special holiday because of this COVID-19. Okay dears, then how do you like to spend your holidays? Yes, obviously we all like to spend holidays with our family members, right? Yes, ma'am also like to spend my holiday with my kid, with my child Lalu and my mother, father and all other family members. What about you? If any of the family member is not there, are you feeling good? Yes, we are not feeling good. We will miss them, right? Yes, so today, in today's class, we are going to ask more questions from the story Ben's Christmas Wish. What is the story? It is from the story Ben's Christmas Wish and connect them with our own lives. So dears, see here. This is the cover page of the story, as I shown you already, right? Yes. Where do you think the story will take place? Yes, you are right. It is taking place in a snowy area, in a cold area, and very snowfall is there, right? Okay, this picture is reminding you something about yourself, right? Yes, some things are coming to your mind after seeing this picture. Ma'am, also some things are coming to my mind. Once when I went to Shimla, you know what about Shimla? It is a place, very cold place. When I went there, there was full of snow. And like Ben, I had so much fun there. I play with the snow, I made a snowman and a lot of fun with there. So what about you? Do you have any experience like this? Now listen to this picture. Who is in the picture? Yes, that are our Ben and his father. They are playing with the snow. Does this picture reminds you of anything that you do with your family members, with your father or with your mother or any one of your family members? Yes, some things are coming to your mind, right? So dears, here you have to do one thing. You have to take the story Ben's Christmas Wish and read it again. Once more you have to read it and take each picture of the story and discuss with your parents. Okay, then here what we will do? Here we have to find out the things that is common, that is same in between Ben and with us. So how can we do that? Okay, see, ma'am show you another picture. See, who is this? Yes, of course, it is our Ben. There is no doubt. Then how are we like Ben? Do you notice anything that is common between Ben and us? Is there anything different? Any different thing is there? Yes. What about his dress? Listen to his. Do you have this type of dress? Did you wear this type of dress? Yes, we are also having this type of dress. When do we wear? It is during the winter time. Am I right? So it is a common thing, right? Yes, now we are going to write the things that is common, the similar, the same things that is happening in between us and with Ben. So are you ready to do that? So how can we write? So let's write title, Making Connection. Making connections. Here we are matching, we are taking the things that is happening in this story and what we see around us in our everyday life. Now we are matching the things that is happens from the story and what are the things that is happening in our lives. So write 2 columns. Here in the first column here you have to write Ben's story. Then what about the next column? Here you have to write about your lives. Your lives. So now what about his dress? Yes, we are also having these type of woolen dress. But when do we use that such type of dress in our life? It is during the winter time. So let's write here about Ben's dress. It is a common thing. It is the same things that is we can see from Ben's story and also from our own, from your own life. So Ben wears woolen clothes, woolen dress. What about yours? Yes, there we also wears woolen dress. Then what are the things, dears, that you can find out from this story? What about Ben? Yes, he likes to play with the snow with his family members. So let's write Ben likes to play or likes to spend. He likes to spend holiday with his family. What about your case? Are you like to spend your days with your family? Yes, we are all like to spend holidays with our family members. So let's write we also like to spend holidays with our families. So dears, like this way you have to find out 2 more things and write it and add to this column. How can you write? How can you find out that things that is common? Yes, what about this Ben? What are the things that you know about Ben? He likes to play with the snow. He likes to make the snowman. He likes to decorate the tree with his dad. Right? So these all are the things that is common. So let's compare the things with your life. Okay. So dears, making connections means finding the similarities. Find out the similarities between 2 things. So here we have found so many things that is common, that is similar things from the story and with our own lives. So now let's move to our workbook. There is also text to self connection. Number 1, look at the picture and write what Ben likes to do. Then draw and write what you like to do. There are two things that you have to do from the question number 1. This is what Ben likes to do. So here you will look at the picture and you will write about Ben. What about Ben? Yes, he likes to play in the snow with his dad. Then how can you fill up this one? Here, this is what I like to do. It is depends upon you. It is depends upon your wish, your favorite things that you like to do. If you are like to play with the football, or if you are like to play with the cricket, or any other play, or any other things that you like to do, here you can draw the picture and write it here. How can you write? Yes, I like to play football, or I like to play cricket, or I like to eat ice cream, or anything that you like most. Okay dears, do you get the idea about this question? Okay, then let's move to the second one. Number 2. Look at the picture of Anya's friend and write a sentence about it. Then draw and write about your friend. There is Anya and the dragon. It is given. Then here it is, you have to write about your friend, your favorite, your bestie, your close friend. So how can we complete this one? Anya and the dragon. Yes, here the dragon is in the picture. He is Anya's friend and he is very good. They are very good friends, and dragon is kindly that dragon have kind eyes. Like that, whatever you know about this Anya and dragon, in that way you can complete here. Then what about this self connection? Yes, it is about yourself. If you have any friend like this dragon, or any best friend you have, you have to write about them. So how can we, like porcupine hair? No, we learn someone. Who is that? Oh, I don't remember his name. Okay, you have to find out his name and just send me that name. Okay, I forgot his name. Someone is there, no, in story, porcupine hair, who is having. Okay, just think about that and send it to me. So here you have to write, if you have a friend like that, long hair, how can you write? Yes, you have to draw his picture. You have to draw her picture is here and write about, I like my friend, because what is the friend name like this? If you are like Ben, I like Ben because her hair is like me. Like that you can complete this part. Okay dears, I hope you all have understood about this part. Then let's move to the practice question. There is one question is there. Number 3. Look at the pictures. Write what they remind you of. There are 2 pictures are given. So look at the picture. In the first picture it's about a classroom, and from the second picture it's a fighting scene, right? So how can we write this? Yes, this picture reminds of you what? How can you write? This picture reminds me of my classroom, or my school, or my teacher, whatever the things that comes to your mind. In that way you can complete. Then what about this picture? Yes, here it is a fighting scene. Both are fighting to getting the remote, right? So how can you write? This picture reminds me of a fight, yes, that I had with my friend, or that I had with my younger brother or elder brother, whoever that's you remind of, you can write like this. So dears, in today's session we have learned about connection, connecting things. Connection means to relate the things. Here we have find out the common things that happens from this Ben story, and we just connect the things in our own lives, in your own life. What are the things? So this part you have to complete it. Find out 2 more things, or 3 anything. What are the things that you can find out from this story? You can write and send it to me personally. Here, and so many things are there from this story. If you are reading, you will get so many things. So dears, I hope you all have get the idea about this connection, connecting things. So it is a keyword connection. CONN, this is a keyword. So here you have to write this connection take a page and write it downwards in 5 or 6 times in one page. Okay. Now ma'am going to wind up this session today. So dears, be ready with your notebook, workbook and textbook for a next class. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon.